Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi says the Congress and the India Bloc will raise about the need for peace in Manipur with full force in Parliament and also to put pressure on the government to end this tragedy. Rahul Gandhi made this remark in a post on Hindi on X as he shared a video of his interactions with the people of Manipur during his day-long visit to the violence-hit state. The Congress leader further urged the Prime Minister to visit Manipur and listen to the problems of the people there. Rahul Gandhi further maintained that he has visited Manipur 3 times since violence broke out in the state, but he has not seen any improvement in the situation. He urged Prime Minister to personally pay a visit to the state and to appeal for peace. It may be mentioned that Gandhi had also visited Manipur weeks after ethnic violence broke out in Manipur on May 3rd of last year. He also began his Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra from the state in January 2024.